Hi folks, and welcome back to Hunting Bonsai. I thought I'd do a quick update video just to show I'm not dead. Just it's been a few weeks since I've done one, but I've been busy in the garden, so I'll show you what I've been doing in the garden. Last weekend was Doncaster boat sale, which was a good day out. Nice to meet up with all the lads and have a crack. A few of them I meet at the club meeting and that, but like Neil Crawford, good lad, crackers. And one of the sellers, Gavin, he's a subscriber and watches the videos. He's got some nice raw material for sale, so if he's after out, just swap each other's comments and get in contact. But other than that, I've been busy in the garden, so I'll show you what I've been doing. And I didn't record a video while I was doing it because it's not a woodworking channel, it's bonsai. So I'll put a few pictures up of what I've been doing as I'm going through. So I'll take you outside and give you a look. So the first weekend I done, I built a roof over the koi pond. So I built the roof first over the koi pond. Just to protect them from the sun. Then I painted it. I painted all the pond. Then I decided to paint all the decking, which was a pain because I had to give it 2 coats, wait an hour, do a bit, move the pond down and move the pond back up with a little coil. So while I was waiting for that to dry, I decided to build the fence in the middle of the pond, the Japanese fence. So it was proper multitasking, which was good. So I built the fence and painted that bench, then I ran out of paint. Done the decking, which is black now because of all them trees out the back. Then, to top it all off, the little Frenchies had a chow at it. I'll bloody kill it. There it is there. There it is there. I'll bloody kill it. What a little bugger. I've been getting a few new trees. I don't know if I showed you, so I'll give you a look at them. Got a California scrub oak. And a little trident maple down there. And the Chinese hackberry, which is too tall, so I'm going to air lay about there next year. Get a little marmere tray out of it. And we'll have a tray down there somewhere out there. I've even cleaned all the greenhouse out. Ready for the winter. The Eisei-ens are doing well. Since I've been in the greenhouse, I pop new shoots out. Which is don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but at least you know they're alive. My redwood cuttings is away. Some hawky and naughty cuttings. More redwood cuttings. I'll tell a lie, I did do a tree, style that little. Yeah, we'll take it in there. Bit of a styling on that little Chinese elm. I'll put a picture up before and after. As for Doncaster boat sale, I bought a Hornbean group, so I'll show you that. There's a Hornbean group. I didn't get the gun, that's the kids. But it looks alright. It's only 70 quid, so not bad. And I bought some little marmite pots, so we'll get some marmite on the go. But there's the fence from this side, the pond. I bought that sign for the pond for when my mates come on the drink. No paying in the pond. The fishies. Oh, there's my grandson. Hi mate. Hi baby. Hi mate. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Say hiya. Say hi to the people on YouTube. Say hiya. Are you fishies? What? Hi fishies. Where you going? You want to feed the fishies, like? Lay on. Oh, you feed the fishies for Granda.
Yeah, get a bit more.
Jensen boy. Jensen boy. Jensen boy. I've even built myself a little workstation in the workshop just for the little trays. I stuck all the wire on the wall so I didn't have to keep looking for it. So that's my little workshop there for the small trays. My workbench, I should say. All the wires up there, don't need to mess about. There's my little pots. Make some marmite trays. From Doncaster Boat Sale. Walsall ceramics. Good little pots. I like my little marmite trays, as you can see in the greenhouse. I've got a couple. Oh, there's a couple on the go. I think the grass needs trimming, like. So does the tree. So folks, that's just a quick video to show you I'm not dead. I haven't fell off the face of the planet. I'm not getting bored with bonsai. It's just I've been too busy in the garden trying to get it sorted. I'll get a video done this weekend soon as I get back from work on Saturday. I'm thinking about doing the cedar, so I'll be playing with the cedar. If not, it might be a big branch placement in the big privet. Or I've got a poo-poo juniper down there, see if we can make something out of that. I like a challenge. So thanks for watching. If you haven't, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da!